welcome to my channel, and congratulations on your new PTD220 label maker. Or if you're shopping for a label maker, I promise you're gonna want this one. For today's video, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet, and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing so you can see exactly what it's gonna look like when it comes in the box and all the pieces that this machine should have with it, okay? I'll give you a hint, it involves a label maker. Let's get started.
All right, this is the PTD220 label maker, and as you can see right off the bat from the outside of the box, you can see it takes the TZE tape up to 1/2 of an inch, and it has 14 fonts, 25 templates, and LCD screen, all of the good stuff. And then we're just going to go ahead and open it. I actually haven't been able to see it yet either, so we're going to explore this together. Super friendly packaging, all recycled cardboard, which is great. If you didn't know, for those TZE tapes, Brother actually does a recycling program. You can go to the Brother's website and figure out how to mail back your label tapes, but that's a really cool feature that they have. This machine's going to come with your user manual, but don't worry, you don't need to read this all because that's what you've got me for. I'm going to break this exact user manual that I'm opening up here down for you step by step. And then you're also going to get a full-size sample tape. This sample tape right here, you'll notice a sample because it says sample right on it. You're going to get the classic TZE 231. That's the most popular label. That's 1/2 of an inch black on white laminated label tape. Those are great. You can get them right on the website in singles or in 2-packs. And then this here is the beauty, the star of the show, the label maker itself. We're going to go ahead and take that out of the plastic, and you can kind of see some features on the back. It will list off what some of the shortcuts are on the back, which is really helpful. And then that's all that's in the box. You have your label maker, the label, and then the instructions. You'll notice a little port right here. That's for a power adapter that is sold separately, or on the back here, you can use 6 AAA batteries.
As you can see, the packaging is very neat and has just the essentials to get you started. Don't forget, before you get ready to label, that you're going to need a power supply, whether that's a power adapter sold separately, the AD24ES, or 6 AAA batteries. Other than that, I'm going to teach you on the next video how to get started. See you soon.